Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Midland Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for Midland Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Midland Mortgage. Now, on the right hand side, you can see the sign in option where you can write down your roll number, your password, and then click sign in. Let me show it to you once again. Go to midlandmortgage.com and then click on this icon which says loan number. Write down your loan number over here, your password over here, and then click sign in. If you want to remember your loan number, click remember loan number and then your browser will remember your loan number the next time you log in. In case you have forgotten your password or loan number, click on this link and then you can retrieve back your password or loan number once again. If you have not created an account, click Need to sign up and then you can create a Midland Mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your Midland Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.